Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a mood board using PureRef. A mood board is a visual tool that brings together references, color palettes, textures, and themes to establish the tone, style, and atmosphere of a project. It helps streamline communication, inspire creativity, and maintain consistency when creating concept art or 3D environments, ensuring a clear vision and reducing iteration time. First of all, create a folder and give it a name. For example, I'll name mine Moroccan Interior Class. Inside this folder, I created another folder named 3D for Blender files and a second one named ImageRef for all my references. As an example, I'm going to grab some images and drag them into PureRef. Open the PureRef app and press Ctrl+N to add a title to them. After that, I'll add some textures, label them, and start organizing our references a bit. Then I'll add other images to complete the mood. As you can see, the images can help create a nice mood if we draw inspiration from them. I'll also import some prop images as references, ensuring they're well organized. Don't forget to save your PureRef project. So download PureRef, experiment with adding and organizing images, and try to create a beautiful mood board. You'll find a link to the references I used in the video description. That's it for PureRef. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.